Hey my peeps, let's make some cute beer mug cakesicles for Father's Day. So I have a cakesicle here. I use clay that is not plaster, that's clay. And I put a little piece of a doll into the cake pop. I'm gonna put a paper straw over it later, okay? So I'm gonna get some yellow clay, and I want to make sure that I cut on the long end, okay? Because you're gonna wrap a piece of the clay on the middle of your cakesicle, okay? So just try to get it long enough to just wrap around the middle of your cakesicle. And you can always just spread the clay out. If it didn't reach to the middle, just, smash it up and spread it out. Nobody's going to see the back anyway, so it really doesn't matter, okay? So now I'm going to get like a tool and just make lines in the middle of that clay, so it looks like, how a beer mug looks. Then I'm gonna get another piece of clay in white, and I'm gonna wrap this around the bottom of the yellow piece to make it, like the base of a mug. And I'm just gonna wrap it around. Okay, so now I'm going to get more white clay, and I'm gonna make like a handle for the beer mug, okay? This is a pretty easy project. It just takes a little time, especially when you're gonna put the foam, the beer foam at the top. That's gonna take a little bit of time because you gotta roll out each little ball, which I'm gonna do right now. And you're just gonna add little round balls to make it look like foam on the top of your beer mug. And then you're just gonna like fill up the top. And then on the one end, I'm gonna make it look like the foam is spilling over a little bit. On the opposite side of where the handle is, like that, just a little bit of foam coming over, okay? This is a fun project, like even the kids can make it for the dad or whatever. So now I'm making like a teardrop shape drop to make it look like, it fell down the mug. I actually made two, one smaller and one bigger than the other. And you just fill it up as much as you want. So now I'm going to just sprinkle it with some clear crystal glitter, but I'm using some glue. That's tacky glue, and I'm just putting a little bit of tacky glue on all the white areas because I'm going to add the glitter on there. This is just a clear sparkly glitter. It's from Michael's. It's called Snow. It's my favorite glitter. And now I'm going to put a paper straw. Like when you use a paper straw, you want to put a little piece of like a dowel or a skewer or something, because those paper straws, they tend to bend. So you want to just reinforce the straw by, just adding a little piece of something inside of it. I'm just going to add a little bit. Now you don't have to do that. You could just finish. You could just leave it like that. But I just thought, what the heck? Let's just go all out. And then I got some peanut cabochons from Playco 3, because beer and peanuts, right? I was trying to look for a little pretzel, but I couldn't find one, so I just put a little peanut in there. You don't even have to do that. I just did it because I had the peanuts. But there you go. Look at your cute little beer mugs, and they're so easy to make. Hope you like them, and I hope you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.